Hi everyone, my name's Max with National Powersports Distributors, and today we're going to take a look at this 2020 KTM 1290 Super Duke GT. We're going to be scrolling through the listing on our website, which you can see for yourself by going to nationalpowersports.net and typing in the item ID you see in the top left corner, or by following the link in the description. Let's get into it. To start off, this bike has 23,194 miles and passes New Hampshire State inspection. We'll take a scroll through our comprehensive list of checks. We measured this vehicle's charging output at 14.3 volts, its front tire tread depth at 330 seconds, and its rear tire tread depth at 330 seconds as well. We did not note any other mechanical concerns, and when we test rode this vehicle, we found it to run, shift, and handle properly with no abnormal sounds or vibrations. We've published the service repair order for this vehicle so you can see exactly what we did to it and what we invested in it when we had it through our shop. As far as cosmetics are concerned, on a vehicle of this age and mileage, we're going to point out everything that, in our opinion, is above normal wear and tear. And in this vehicle's, we have some scratches and badge damage on the saddlebag. This bike comes with a toolkit located under the seat, 2 keys, and 1 fob. It comes from the factory with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated grips, and electronic suspension, and has been upgraded with Evotech frame sliders, Evotech front axle sliders, and Evotech rear wheel lock nut. This bike has a clear title, and we've also purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report so you can see all the details of that clear title. This bike is being sold with a warranty, a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage options are available as well. Finally, we offer nationwide shipping and delivery, and we're always interested in trades.
Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.